In this video, I will show you how to install Google Meet in your laptop. To get started, you do need to use Google Chrome to do this. So if you do have a different browser installed, what you want to do is download and install the Google Chrome browser. And then what you can do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is log into your Google account. So if you come across to google.com, come up to the top right, and you're going to see an option to sign in. You can see in my case, I'm already signed into my Google account. Now, once you've done that, next to your Google account profile icon, you're going to see this button here, which is called Google Apps. Give that a click, that's going to load up your Google Apps. And from here, you want to find Google Meet. Give it a click, and what that's going to do is take you across to the Google Meet website. And to install this as an app on your computer or laptop, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and then come and hover over the cast, save and share option. On the sub menu that comes up, you should see an option to install Google Meet. Give that a click, and that's going to open a window at the top, asking if you want to install this as an app. Click the install button, and what that's going to do is install Google Meet as an app on your laptop. So we're going to see if I actually come back to my desktop, we now have the Google Meet app installed. We can also use the search box at the bottom, type Meet, you can see the app's going to come up. When we click this, it's going to open up Google Meet as its own individual app. So that is how to install Google Meet in laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Meet and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.